It might be a little noisy, so excuse for that, but I want to show you this, I think it's accordion folder organizer or something. It was sent by a company, thank you very much. I haven't had the chance to upload, but here's where right now I'm organizing my decals. Um, Also, before you proceed and comment, I no longer make decals since my machine broke down. I stopped making the decals, and I no longer need to make the decals. But look, this file folder organizer, it's really cool. Check the link below. Look, it extends like a big box. You can fill it up with a lot of documents. But right now, it's good for me because I have these were laying around everywhere just in plain sight. I never had the chance to organize, but now they are really organized. I have the decals and I have the vinyls here. Some of them are right somewhere. Yeah, I have some vinyls here. You know, since I transitioned from decals to vinyls, I stopped making the decals, paper decals. Vinyls are better, last longer. Yeah, here are the vinyls strips. But check the link in the description. Look, nice file folder, whatever it's named. Interesting. Thank you, the company who sent us this product. Yeah, pretty cool. Also comes with this thing, tag something. Link below.